guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I am doing a what I eat in a day video. I haven't done one of these in a long time. I honestly just forgot about them, and you guys really liked them when I did them in the past. So today I thought I would talk about, in the beginning, a little bit about my new routine of kind of daily routine, eating routine, and then show you everything I have, breakfast, lunch, snacks, dinner, all of that. So it's September now. Grady is back in school. I have started my new position at my current job, and I'm going from 2 part-time jobs to 1 full-time job, which I really love because I don't have to bounce around from job to job anymore. So with all those changes, my daily, day-to-day, weekday lifestyle has changed. What I do now, since Grady's back in school, I can get back to the gym. I am not one of those people that goes to the gym every single day. It's just not me. I'm not motivated that way, but I do like going to the gym 2 to 3 times a week. So what I have been doing is I get up really early, as I always had previously, around 5 o'clock. I head right to the gym while my son and husband are still sleeping. I go to the gym. I know that if I get the workout in super early, I'm good for the rest of the day. So I'll go 2 to 3 days a week during the week, and I'll go right at 5. I'll usually get home about 6:15, and I'm usually starving by that point. So because I'm not usually hungry for like breakfast food, or I don't really have the time, because when I get home from the gym, I have a small window of time when I can either take a shower, get my act together for the day, start getting Grady ready for school, Matt's up, getting ready for work. So I have switched my routine, and for the past, today's day 11, so the past 10 days I've been doing 310 shakes after the gym, or even the days I don't go to the gym, when I get up, I make a 310 shake. I actually have one right here that I've been drinking on. And it's really helped me because it is a meal replacement shake. It's plant-based, so it also doesn't have sugar, no soy, no dairy, no gluten. And it's just a nice plant-based shake, 15 grams of protein. So that has been helping me from that ravished, hungry feeling after the gym to get through until lunch. Previously, I was not eating anything. I was just having coffee in the morning. And then I'm sitting at work at 9:30 and I'm starving. And then I would end up in the vending machine, with a lot of my coworkers eating chips, eating just junk, and making bad choices. So since I've started these shakes, it's kind of curbed my urge to make those choices because I don't even think about them anymore. I just have the shake and then I'm good to go until I eat lunch about 12 o'clock. So it's really helped me. I'm going to show you how I make them. And another thing that's helped me is I joined a couple weeks ago the Facebook 310 Nutrition group, which has a ton of members, a ton of good ideas. I've gotten shake recipe ideas, meal prep ideas. People post all kinds of motivating content on there, and these are real people that are struggling either to lose weight or make better lifestyle choices. It could be a number of reasons why people turn to meal replacement shakes. And I asked you guys about a month ago in a grocery haul video to give me recommendations for shakes, and a bunch of you said you wanted to know when I chose a shake, what results I had seen, how it had worked for me. And so far, day 11, I have definitely noticed I'm not feeling super hungry in the morning, so I can highly recommend these. I do have a coupon code that I will link down below from 310. This one is super yummy. I'm going to show you again how I made it. It's really good. It tastes good. It fills me up, and I know that I'm not putting like junk into my body. So let's go. I'm going to show you how I make it, and then I'll continue on with the rest of my day for lunch and snack and dinner, so you can see what I eat throughout an entire day. I hope you guys enjoy the video. So this is the combination that I have been loving. So I have the chocolate shake, and I've also used the toasted coconut shake as well. I did this for about a week, and I am onto the chocolate now because I have found something that I'm really enjoying. So I use about 10 ounces of this almond milk here. You can also use an unsweetened almond milk. I just like a little bit of the sweetness in there. So I'm using this. I use about 10 ounces of this. This is one of my shaker cups. I have a blue one as well that's in the dishwasher. I use ripe bananas if I have them. If I don't have ripe bananas, I'll just use more of this. This is the Wyman's Banana Berry. It just looks like this. It's like a different mixture of berries and bananas, but I really like it a lot when I have a banana that's ripe. And then I use a scoop of this chocolate 310 shake mix, and then I also use a handful of baby spinach. So I'm gonna make this and show you guys what it looks like at the end. These shakes are really easy to make, especially if you are limited on time in the morning like me. Make sure you guys use my discount code GradysMom. All the details are down below. You can get 70% off the premium starter kit, which also includes free shipping for a total savings of $91. This is a great deal for anybody looking for a meal replacement, and I hope you guys enjoy it when you try it. So for my lunch today, it's about 12 o'clock and I'm home on lunch and I'm having this big salad here. It is a bed of spring mix. There are craisins on here. There are garden tomatoes and cucumbers from my parents' garden. There's onion and carrot, croutons, I don't know if I said craisins. There's leftover cooked chopped up bacon. I also added, I don't know if I mentioned, this type of apple in here, so I'm just going to finish the rest of the apple. I also have a mandarin orange fruit cup, which I don't know yet if I'm going to eat it as is, or I might drain it and put the mandarins on top of here. I really like fruit on my salads. I am having the Panera Bread at home tangerine honey dressing. It's like a citrusy, sweet vinaigrette sort of dressing. So I'll put that on here. And then I have a water, and then I'm headed back to work till about 6 p.m. So this is what I'm having for lunch today, and I will share with you guys my dinner when I get home this evening. So it is about 3:45. I do work till about 6 p.m. So the last time I ate, as you guys saw, was around 12. So I always usually have a snack between 3 and 4 p.m. Today I'm having these baked sweet potato chips. They are the Tara brand. I found them at Walmart, and I'm just gonna have this strawberry water here, and this will get me through till I leave here from work, and then I go home and show you guys what I have for dinner. So for dinner tonight, I made a creamy rice with shredded cheddar and breaded chicken cutlets on top for dinner. So it just came out of the oven, and I'm gonna go ahead and plate this up, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. So here is my plate, the breaded chicken cutlet here, chicken breast that I did, and the creamy veggie rice with some shredded sharp cheddar on top. Looks really good. This is my husband's plate. And yeah, this is our dinner tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I eat in a day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.